Good morning, students. Today in this class we are going to learn about countable and uncountable noun, chapter number 2. So, before starting the lesson, we clear our concept about what is noun. Actually, noun is a naming word. Here you can see that nouns are the naming word. So, what is the mean of naming word? Naming words means any name, any kind of name that exists in the world. Name, things name, places name, any type of name in this world belongs to the noun. First of all, clear the concept about noun. Noun is a naming word. Understand? So now, what is countable and uncountable noun? The nouns which we can count are countable and which we can't count, those are uncountable nouns. Example of countable nouns are trees, cats, dogs, whereas some example of uncountable nouns are sugar, water, juice, salt. Can we count these words? We can't count sugar, salt, water. We can't count this. So, this noun belongs to the uncountable noun, whereas the nouns we can count belongs to the countable noun. So, we already clear our concept about noun. Now, we know this. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. So, here we are going to learn about singular noun and plural noun. Singular means one, whereas plural means more than one. Okay? Means singular noun is cat and plural noun are cats. Okay? Understand? So here are some examples of singular noun. I make them to the plural form. Here, first one is potato. The plural form of potato is potatoes. P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. After potato, we add es to make the plural form of the singular form of potato. Next one is dress. Again, we add es. We add es to make the plural form of this singular form of noun. Dress, after dress, just add es, dresses. Number 3 is plate, P-L-A-T-E. Here, we just add es to make the plural form. In case of story, we use I-E-S instead of Y. Instead of Y, we use IES to make the plural form of story. Stories. In number 5, wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. In case of wolf, we use V-E-S instead of F. In the place of F, we use V-E-S to make the plural form of wolves. So, there are some rules to make the singular form of noun to the plural form. Sometimes we use es, sometimes we add es, sometimes we add ies, and in some case we add ves to make the singular noun to the plural form. Again, I repeat, singular means one, where plural is more than one. Here are some rules to make the singular noun to the plural form. Rules number 1. We add es or es to make the singular noun to the plural one. Like cat. We add es after cat. And now we can make the singular cat the plural form cats. Cat, cats. Bat, bats. These are the singular form and this is the plural form. Rule number 1, we add es or es to make the singular noun to the plural noun. Rules number 2, singular nouns end FE with VES. We replace F or FE with VES. Example, LEAF. Here the word leaf ends with F. So, to make the plural form of leaf, we add VES after LES. So, we replace F to VES. Rules number 2. The singular nouns end with F or FE. The singular noun ends with F or FE. We replace F or FE with VES. Rules number 3. Nouns ends with Y. The singular nouns, those who ends with Y. We replace the words Y with IES. Example, baby. Here we can see that the singular noun baby ends with Y. So we replace Y with IES to make the plural form of baby. So we learn about 3 rules to make the singular noun to the plural. Number 1, add ACS. Number 2, the words ends with F or FE. Replace FE with VES. And number 3, the singular noun ends with Y. Replace the Y with IES. Now we can see that some exceptional cases. There are some nouns, those who don't follow any rules. Those are called irregular plurals. The nouns do not follow any rules, any 3 rules. Those are called irregular plurals. Here are some examples of irregular plurals. You can say that food, F-O-O-T, food. The plural form of food is feet, F-O-O-T, feet. The plural form of child is children. The plural form of man is men. And the plural form of woman is women. These nouns do not follow any rules. So these nouns are called irregular plurals. Now you can see that there are also some nouns whose singular and plural form are same. You can see the board that sheep. The singular and the plural form of the sheep is same. The one sheep is called sheep and more than one sheep also called SHWP. Here are also some exceptional cases. The nouns, those singular and plural form are same. They don't change. They remain intact. Like sheep, sheep, deer, deer, and aircraft. The singular and the plural form of these nouns remain same. They do not change. Now you can see that there are also some nouns who do not have any singular form, like glasses, trousers, jeans, shorts, and scissors. There are also some more examples of these types of noun, like jeans. When we buy single jeans, we do not say that jean. It is always jeans. So these nouns are always used in plural form. They do not have any singular form. Again I repeat, the nouns always have plural form. Here are some examples of that kind of nouns, like glasses, trousers, jeans, shorts, and scissors. So we learn about 3 rules. Number 1, add s or es to make the plural form of noun. Number 2, the noun ends with f or fe, replace that with ves to make the plural form of noun. Number 3, the noun ends with y, replace y with ies to make the plural form of that types of noun. Except that there are some nouns who have only the plural forms, and also there are some exceptional of case whose singular and plural form remains intact, means remains same. So the concept of how to change the singular noun to the plural form is ends here. In next videos, I shall taught you about the rest part of the chapter number 2, countable and uncountable noun. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.